One Espana, hear that?
I don't want Spain win.
Come in, man. I work it first for we do.
How much time do you sir?
I think a 5 you have to take. I work it first for we. 22.
Guys, why me heart a beat so fast?
Right, that. Eh?
Continue to be done.
Yeah, it will continue till somebody miss. And this is you tell us that's the last guy game, you know? Jeez and peas. Redeem yourself, brother. Him first they make kick.
Yeah, mommy, going to let you know something about football.
Enrique, what you just do? Make sure you know where you are the big. Watch our left footer. Alright, look see.
My heart a beat fast and on my side.
Oh, my heart, that's what beat right now.
Jesus!
Oh my God! Yes! 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 Mr. Mommy, on my team lose and I want to see how Jason do me just now lose shit.
Anything goes sweet, let's go sour, brother. Listen, you know them. Oh, God.
Oh, me heart a beat so.
Listen, nobody when me used to a kick. Hold! You know I miss.
I know some miss.
You know I miss, man.
Mommy, I miss him, I got miss right now.
I got miss.
Calm down yourself, brother.
I don't understand how one man in the big wide space.
Oh my God! We told him, Mom.
You know, I want to go through.
But I don't understand how the big old goal place there and a one man in
Here,
the
Mommy.
and you lose.
Here, Mommy. Here, Mommy.
One man in the wide space.
Mommy said you could have kicked in it.
One man in the wide space, you know? One man.
Mommy, that easy like what we think though.
Yeah, but it's a shit color too much.
If they score, I get it done, you know.
Nobody
not score yet! Oh, we not score yet! Eh? Man, Jesus, please, nobody not score yet. We don't want nothing, man. Give me one. Alright, Busquets. Alright, Busquets. Are you last World Cup, bro?
Yes, sir.
He must score, mommy.
No, him will score. Him a go score.
Busquets, Busquets, we believe in you.
Oh my God!
I told you.
Wank. Oh, what's your coach face?
I told you.
Yes,
I
Morocco!
told you not going to score.
Yes, Morocco! Mr. Mommy, any team with Spain a player at them me a carry. Me no want Spain win. Oh, Jason Lewis should do me?
No. Master.
Me go call Daniel right now.
Man, I tell you. You can't see say they don't have no passion to kick the ball. A barely a crawl and go. You see what I'm required?
Yes, sir.
No little passion.
Go look for your cheapest flight. See a team.
It's not penalty. Me I say it from there. Him nah miss it up. Hakeem, he nah miss. My phone not turn her back for rest of the day.
May I show you up though? Woo! Yes!
Go on, boy.
Yes! Go home! I saw me feel when Germany lose.
Good game, on the play for it, on the deserve it. My side, they're not playing nothing.
Guys, listen.
I saw you go hungry on the day, yeah, man. Bye, Spain. We have to take a flight now.
So, alright, we are playing next night.
No, me tell anybody say if me I go bet on a team, even when beside it start, if me I go bet on a team, I would bet on Brazil because them show the most confidence. So far in this World Cup. Yes, me Brazil are sure. Me not even Argentina me can't carry. Brazil, them a walk over all I side them. Yeah man. But I know my side do you know. I mean I love them you know, but if me I go bet my money on a side, Brazil not gonna bet for. But who that say? Boy, and one thing though, my underdog I World Cup, them, one of them gone out, Belgium and Croatia. Enough people, me know anybody call Croatia name, but members of them they go final. The last one. And them play hungry, them want to win the football game. Man, when I want to win, nothing come here, so. Spain should just jump out for a longer time, nobody waste my time. Boy, I tell you. What Sweden's gonna show us, brother? Got to say bye-bye, yo. Boy, I mean, if I watch World Cup 2026, you know. I'm not waste my time.
Anyways.
And it's a Jamaica go.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos. comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important, guys. So you can be notified every time I post a new video. Show me there scream at Jason. I'm gonna go on team side for win. But we just don't know Spain versus Morocco. We don't know Morocco win. Guys, any team where Spain did a play against, and that the team them would have carried because I don't want Spain to win. Suppose you see how Jason go on for me when Germany drop out. Tell you, you know, me tell you. Him know same team never did go win anyways. So we're just in time for mommy's appointment. So we're gonna just run in and see what's up. Mommy did do a little surgery on her eye. And now we got the first appointment. Basically them just go check to see how it heal and all of them little stuff there, and probably give her one next eye drop. We still have 3 minutes. That's why I'm going to talk to you before we're going, because I'm not going to go in with my camera. So I need to go the hardware, go get something for the bathroom, and then I go buy the stuff them for my little niece crazy socks there. Them have all sorts of something crazy bad, crazy hot, crazy socks. So tomorrow crazy socks. And I promise I'm gonna make one crazy socks for her because she excited about it. So I'm gonna see if I can do something real nice and cute. So let us go. Oh babe, I did buy this for you because I didn't know see a team now go win. So I did buy this for cheer you up.
Because it just is so good.
You know, appreciate it.
What sweet
I
you
never
gonna
have
sew
to
on
do
your
that, you know,
brother?
when my team drop out, you know, give me nothing. You know, hug me and comfort me.
Thank you so much.
I wash it
Yeah.
with the water.
Much.
Oh. Them say me and my mommy look alike, are true? I
You
don't
don't
know.
see it? You don't see resemblance?
No?
Are you using the eye drops or the drop finish?
So we're at the pharmacy right now and then I go work with my list for stuff I have to do. So we need to go at the pharmacy now.
I just drop out a World Cup, master. My team just drop out a World Cup.
Alright guys, so we are at the hardware and I find everything what I want. I never walk on through the whole process because I never did really understand. I don't know them local fixtures, they kind of, you know, funny. But I got everything. So when we leave out here, so I go look the stuff them for Evan crazy socks there. And I think mommy said she want one red socks with me as well. So just them that we have to do until we reach home. You tired?
One spindle. Down to the 320.
Damn. But not lie, being an adult is hard. Them little things there a while ago, $9,000. But the bathroom pipe, it not really work good. So when we spin it, the water still a drip because I think it, I don't really know how to explain it, if it sound, if it makes sense. But we spin until it can't really tighten, it just a spin go. I can't really explain it moment. So we come and get back the exact thing because we don't know say and our house I rent it so we can't change up nothing. Hi Pookie. How are you?
Fine.
Hi Diana.
Hi, good
How are you?
Good.
Okay. How was school today?
Good.
Good. Yes, sir.
Alright, go keep us at the
You gonna help me make Evan crazy socks?
Yeah.
For crazy socks day?
Yeah.
You want to see everything when me get?
Yeah.
Look in that bag. I got a lot of goodies.
What?
Wait.
So cute.
Mia, how was school today? What you learn today? Come here. What you learning in mathematics today? So we are back home and mommy and the kids them there with me. So me go make the crazy socks so mommy can carry it down so Evan can have it for tomorrow. So I bought these. We just buy some random stuff to make style. We buy some gibbets and these. Can make some like some little bead thingy. Just so I can make the socks look crazy. I bought a pink socks and a blue one. Give me, let me ask Serena something. Which one of them socks here you rather? Look, this one or this one?
That one.
What color?
The pink one.
Okay, I'll use the pink then. So don't use this one, right? Okay. So Mega, look, my buy them here for put on it. And these. And these.
Cutlass? Yeah, cutlass.
Cutlass, no. So Mega make your socks and then call the back here. Okay, love you. Alright. She wants to make a socks. So this is the last thing Mega add to the vlog before me upload it. So Mega cut off this. Never want to spoil up the nice clip here. Don't do it pretty. No, but it a go scrape or the clip part.
No, it's like the end part, the tail part of the clip turn outwards. Can you put away back after that? That's how I'm assistant.
I want Evan to win crazy socks there. Anything where it takes to win. So I gonna cover up one of them yellow thingy here. So this is gonna be the outer side. Good. Oh, this door. So the crazy socks here, I don't know if it look crazy enough or it look cute. Me, I say it don't look crazy, it look cute. But I did a little thingy thing. I like it, it's cute. So comment and let me know if you guys like it. How did I do? Hopefully she win crazy socks day. I know so that would make she happy. But that's a prayer so them here not pull out. But she's so gentle, so I don't think nothing go pop off. So mommy, see the crazy socks here. Remember it when you go down, cause if you don't remember it, sorry for you. Okay, you want to make one bracelet with this?
Yeah. Me too. Me too.
Who have crocs down the yard? Everybody?
No. Yes.
You don't have no crocs? You don't have no crocs?
My two cooks.
Why come you not have none? Maybe
Susie the bite up the purple one.
Susie bite up her crocs?
Yeah.
Bad Susie.